Hello guys, welcome to Learning Online with Prepclass. I am BC and I am your tutor. Today we are going to be solving Loyola Jesuit College Entrance Examination quantitative reasoning from questions 46 to 50. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment on our videos. You can also join us on WhatsApp by clicking on the link in the description below. Now let's move on to the questions. Okay, no, not the questions actually, the samples. So we have to study the samples below carefully and use it to find the missing numbers in the questions that follow. So quantitative reasoning measures one's ability to use basic mathematical skills to solve problems. So you're given some samples, then you have to find out the math necessary behind it, and then you get your answer. As simple as that. But you need to think. You need to think very well. You have to add, subtract, multiply, or divide to see which one of them work for the sample. Okay, let's look at the sample together. We have the top number 9 and 15, top number 5 and 11, top number 20 and 13 to make this bottom numbers. So what do we do? I'd like you to pause this video, try to see it yourself, try addition, try adding the top numbers to see if you get the bottom number. Subtract, multiply, or divide. Just do any one of it and see which works for the sample. Okay, I hope you've been able to do that. Now let's do this together. So first of all, let's try addition. 9 plus 15 is 24. Wow. 5 plus 11 is 16. 20 plus 13 is 33. So this is very easy. All we have to do is to add the top numbers to get the bottom number. 9 plus 15 is 24. 5 plus 11 is 16. 20 plus 13 is 33. So for us to solve the questions, all we have to do is to add the top numbers to get the bottom numbers. As simple as that. So the first question in this video is question 46. Question 46. So one of the top numbers is missing. One is given as 18 and the bottom number is 20. So how do we get the missing top number? Remember, in the samples, we know that the bottom number is the sum of the top numbers. To get the bottom number, we just add the top numbers. That's all. Okay, so the bottom number is 20 equals the sum of the two top numbers. So one of them is missing, plus 18. So let's use algebra. So in algebra, we use letters to represent unknown numbers. This question mark means the number is unknown. So we are to represent the unknown number with X. So in algebra, you can use any letter to represent unknown numbers. Any letter from A to Z. Okay, but the most commonly used letter is X, and that is what I'll be using in this video. So let the unknown number be X. So 20 equals X plus 18. So for us to get X alone, we have to collect like terms. What do I mean by collecting like terms? Bring the numbers to one side and bring the letter to the other side. So we have 20 and then we have 18 here. So to bring 18 to the other side, that is to bring 18 to cross the equality sign, it will change. The symbol in front will change. So you have plus 18. So it will change to minus 18. So we have 20 minus 18 equals X. What is 20 minus 18? 2. So this means that X is 2. The missing number is 2. Let's see if this would work. Remember, the bottom number is sum of the top numbers. So we've gotten the missing top number here as 2. So 2 plus 18 is 20. So this is correct. So 2 is correct. 2 is the missing number. Which of the option is correct? A is 2, B is 6, C is 5, D is 3. So the correct option is A, which is 2. Question 47. So we are given one of the top numbers, 19. The second top number is missing, and then the bottom number is 27. So how do we do this? Remember, from the samples, the bottom number is sum of top numbers. All we have to do to get the bottom number is to add the top numbers. So here we are given the bottom number already. So 27 equals 19 plus the second top number. So the second top number is missing. So we have to find the missing number. So what do? Let's represent the unknown number, which is the question mark, with X. You can use any letter of your choice, okay? But I choose to use X. Okay, 27 equals 19 plus X. So to get X alone, to get our unknown number, what I would do is to collect like terms. So I bring the numbers to one side and the letters to the other side. So let's do this. 27, so we write 27, then this is 19. So when we see a number without any symbol in front, we can assume that it is plus. Okay, so plus 19 crossing the equality sign, it will become minus 19 equals X. 27 minus 19 is what? Let's do that here. Okay, so let's start with 7 and 9. 7 minus 9 is not possible, right? So what do? We collect 1 from 2, and then 2 will become 1. So this becomes 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. And this is remaining 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, so we don't write it. So this means that 27 minus 19 is 8. So the missing number is 8. Let's see if this is correct. What is 19 plus 8? 27. So this means that we are right. The missing number is 8. Which of the option is correct? Is it A, 8, B, 11, C, 9, D, 12? The correct option is A, 8. 19 plus 8 is 27. Now let's move on to the next question, question 48. We are given one of the top numbers and the second top number is missing. And then we are also given the bottom number. So what do? From the samples, we know that the bottom number is equal to the sum of the top numbers. So all we have to do to get the bottom number is to add the top numbers together. That's all. So the bottom number is 17, and then we add the top numbers. 4 plus question mark. Why is it question mark? Because it is unknown. So we can represent the unknown number with X. Okay, so let the unknown number be X. So the bottom number is 17 equals 4 plus the unknown number, which is X. Okay, so what do now? We collect like terms. We bring the numbers to one side and we leave the letter in the other side. So 17, let's write 17 down. And then if you want to bring 4 to cross the equality sign, you change to minus 4. So we have 17 minus 4 equals X. What is 17 minus 4? 7 minus 4 is 3, and 1 minus nothing is 1. So 17 minus 4 is 13. So X is 13. The missing number is 13. But before we go on, let's see if it is correct. Let's add the top numbers and see if we'll get the bottom number. 4 plus 13 is 17. So it is correct. The missing number is 13. Which of the option is correct? A is 16, B is 17, C is 14, D is 13. A is wrong, B is wrong, C is wrong, D is correct because our answer is 13. So 4 plus 13 equals 17. Let's move on to the next question, question 49. So we are given one of the top numbers as 8 and the second top number is missing. So the bottom number is also given as 11. So what do? Try this yourself and see if you'll be able to get it. Okay, let's do this. From the sample, we were able to say that the bottom number can be obtained by finding the sum of the top numbers. Okay, that is 11 would be equal to 8 plus the unknown top number. So that is what is here. 11 equals 8 plus unknown. But let us represent the unknown number with X. So we have 11 equals 8 plus X. So what do now? We collect like terms. We bring the numbers to one side and then we bring the letter to another side. So let's write 11. Then to bring 8 to cross the equality sign, it becomes minus 8. So 11 minus 8 equals x. Now, what is 11 minus 8? 11 minus 8 is 3. So x is 3. The missing number is 3. But before we go on, let's see if we are right. 8 plus 3 is what? 11. So we are right. The missing number is 3. Which of the options is correct? A is 17, wrong. B is 4, wrong. C is 6, wrong. D is 3, correct. Check. 8 plus 3 is 11. Now, let's move on to the final question in this video, question 50. So we are given 6 as the top number, and then the second top number is unknown. And then we have the bottom number as 19. You can pause this video, do this yourself, and then check back to see if you're right or wrong. Okay, so from the samples once more, we know that the bottom number is equal to the sum of top numbers. So all you have to do is to add the top numbers to get the bottom number. So we have the bottom number as 19 already. So 19 equals the sum of the top numbers. We have 6 plus unknown. We don't know this. So let's write it. 19 equals 6 plus unknown. But instead of using unknown, why not use algebra method? Algebra simply means using letters to represent unknown numbers. Okay, so let's represent the unknown number with x. You can use any letter of your choice, A to Z, but I choose to use x because it's the most commonly used letter in algebra. Okay, so let's do this. So this is now 19 equals 6 plus x. So for us to get x, which is the unknown number, what we have to do is to collect like terms. So we bring the numbers to one side and then the letter to another side. So we have 19. 6 to cross the equality sign will become minus 6. So we have 19 minus 6 equals x. What is 19 minus 6? Let's find out. 9 minus 6 is 3. 1 minus nothing is 1. So x is 13. So this means that the missing number is 13. For us to be sure that our answer is correct, we know that from the samples, the bottom number is gotten from adding the top numbers. So let's add 6 and 13. 6 plus 13 would give 19, which is the bottom number. So this confirms that our answer is correct. So the missing number is 13. I hope you're able to do this yourself now. So which of the options is correct? A is 13, B is 14, C is 16, D is 17. Which of the option is correct? A is the correct option. 13 is the correct option. So I hope you'll be able to do this yourself. Simply add the top numbers to get the bottom number. It's as simple as that, and it is straightforward. All you have to do is to study the sample, and then you'll be able to find out how to solve the questions. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and comment so that you can get more fun and educating videos like this. Till I come your way next time, bye for now.